What is up, guys? Vinny here with some more tinnitus talk for you. I have been getting so many comments of negativity, of people that are telling me that they are dealing with this unbearable issue in their life and they can't stand the amount of sound anymore. And after watching my first or second video, it's actually really funny because I was in your shoes and I remember that. And 3 years later, I am listening to it every single day, but I barely hear it. And then when I don't hear it, I'm like, dude, where are you? Because I need you back. So you kind of have a love-hate relationship with it. And it's so sad to see all these people, and especially young people with this problem, older people with this problem, just anybody, doesn't matter what age you are. I mean, I wish that I don't want to wish it upon anybody, but if you get it when you're older, at least, if you're 70 years old and you get it and you only got 10, 15, 20 years to live, then it's one thing. But when you're 15 years old, or you're 18 years old, or you're 25 years old, then it's a different story. You got to live with this for the rest of your life. I know what you feel like. I'm there. I'm 34 years old and I've had this for 3 years now. So I totally get it. It is sometimes the most unbearable thing in the world. It seems like it's going to be the worst thing ever. It's really not. I'm telling you why. There's so many things in this world to be happy about. There's your family, your friends, if you have animals. My little chubby kitty's over there. He's begging for food, but I'm not going to help him because he ate like 15 times already today. But you have so much to care for, your loved one. There's so many things. Keep your mind somewhere else. I was actually just explaining to somebody else that my whole life I've suffered from, anxiety, not debilitating where I couldn't go out, but just anxiety in general. Hold on one second. Here, if you got nothing in your life that makes you happy, look at this. Look at this chubby guy. This has got to make you happy. Does this make you happy? Because this makes me happy. That's Rocco, by the way. I love this little guy. Mwah. Anyway, go ahead. Sorry. So, there's so many things in your life that makes you happy. So anyway, I suffered from anxiety for so long, and then all of a sudden I got this tinnitus. And I don't know if this tinnitus came because of anxiety or whatever else, but in the beginning it was like, oh my God, another thing I have to deal with. Not only do I have this anxiety, but now I have to deal with this constant ringing in my ears all day long. Well, I'll tell you what, I turned it into something positive. My anxiety diminished, if not like 80%, because of my tinnitus. Because instead of me thinking about a million other things that are going on in my head at night that can't help me to go to sleep, or when I wake up in the morning and all I do is lay there in bed before work and just say to myself, this and that and blah, 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 and, whatever happened, go on with things that, when you have anxiety, you think of like a million things. You have a million different outcomes for things that haven't even happened yet. And the tinnitus helped me, because without it, I'd be doing the same thing. And with it now, when I'm going to sleep at night, my mind is just focused on that tinnitus. Some days not even, really focused on it, but my mind is focused on that tinnitus. So I hear it and I'm thinking about it. When I wake up in the morning, I don't want to listen to it. So instead of laying there on my Saturdays or Sundays, or if I have a day off during the week or whatever it is, or on vacations, instead of just laying there complaining that I can't, deal with these things, whatever, I get up in the morning because I don't want to listen to the noise. So I get up, I go take my freezing cold shower, which A, has helped me. B, lowered, I became a vegetarian. I have ulcerative colitis and I became a vegetarian because of that. But the eating aspect of my life has also changed the tone of my tinnitus. I got 6 sounds, guys, 6 of them. I don't know how many you have, because 1 is terrible enough. I have 6. My head sounds like a 56K modem. If you kids don't know what a 56K modem is, look back on YouTube and check it out. That's how we used to do it in the old days. We used to have a modem and dial-up internet. That's what my tinnitus sounds like, besides the whistling. So it's been a blessing and a curse at the same time. So I just wanted to make this quick little video, tell you guys, you have to focus your mind somewhere else. You have to have love in your life. You have to meditate. I know meditating sounds like the worst thing you can possibly do. I do it every single day. Every day. I sit there for 10 minutes, if I can, 5 minutes, half hour if I'm lucky. It bores the hell out of me, but you know what? I've gotten good at it because I've been doing it for so long. And yes, I hear the noise. It is super loud. I hear the noise. So for those people that say that, well, it's probably not that loud done if you can meditate. No, it is that loud. I put on some YouTube, some meditation music, whatnot, and I